Alright, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course. And as promised, we are going to run some plots today. So let's dive in and see exactly what we're working with. Now, to do a recap of yesterday, if you can recall that we were testing our validation data and we're making sure that it can handle the information that it has never seen before. So let's get on to our plots. So this is how we will formulate our plots to be deployed. As you can see, it's almost pretty much the same as the history loss, but we added an extra line here for our value loss. Let me get in and start compiling this now because you know how that goes. And then you notice that our model loss plot shows our loss and value loss. So once that pops up, I can actually show you what it looks like. But let me show you what we did over in our data preparation file. So you can see here, these are the formulas we added. We're going to do one for value loss, and we're going to do one for value root mean squared error. We're actually going to update the legends also. So it's going to show the train, and it's going to show the val RMSE for this one, and it's going to show the train and val loss for this one here. And these are different from our original ones. Let me move up. These are our original plots here. You can see the difference is just the loss in the train, and this is just the root mean squared error in the train. So yeah, let me get in and make this bigger before I actually start running, so you can get a good look at everything, and I can go through it in full detail with you. And we also did some new validating after we did some plotting. I don't know if I'm going to have time to get into that today. I don't want the video to be too long. They have been kind of long lately, but yeah, we'll see how it goes once everything starts compiling. So let's go ahead. Yep, so it's compiling now. It's the usual data, and it's still set up the same way. The original plots are going to open up, and I'm going to have to open and close those to actually move the compiling process along. So once it gets there, we'll get that out the way, and I actually show you the plots from yesterday also, so you can get a good example or a good feel of the differences between the two. So our first plot should be nearing the stages ready to open. We have our information compiling here. Yeah, it's getting closer and closer. Okay, so our first plot should be ready to open up now. Here it is. This is the plot. When you can see here our model loss, our train, and this is our model loss. It's just a single line here. And then we have our model performance, just a single line here. It's our training model. So it's getting close as we finish compiling. And the next plots that open are going to be the new plots that we actually initiated this morning. So it's going to be the loss and the value loss, and it's going to be the root mean square error and the value root mean square error. Sorry about that, kind of tongue twisted this morning. Yes, we're going to let that compile, and I'm going to show you guys the differences. They're going to be quite obvious, but still. All right, so this is going to be our first new plot coming up here. Let me go ahead and it does have to run again. Sorry about that. So it does have to compile information to actually plot. So now it's compiling information that it's going to actually plot. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get around to showing you the new models that we ran today. I'm just going to stick to the plots because it's already running kind of long. So yeah. Almost there. We just have to get to Epic 100. We're at 89 now, 93, and we should be there now. Okay. So as you can see, this is our new plot here, our model loss plot. So now we're running our training model and we're running our value loss model. And as you can see, the lines are they're pretty much perpendicular, but the value loss is doing better, or is being better handled by our model loss plot. Just a tad bit is getting a better performance. Let me show you the second one. And this is our model performance plot here. You can see we have our training model and our value RMSE. And just the same, it looks like our RMSE is being handled a little bit better by our model performance plot. So we do have a better outcome because there are fewer losses being recorded. So that was that. And again, that's all we went over this morning. We did that, and we did some more modeling, some modeling and compiling, but we don't have time to do that right now. So I'll probably keep you posted on that another day. I will keep you posted. as usual. But for now, this is the Python Papi, and you guys stay Gucci.